Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Coinbase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Coinbase account. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, go to coinbase.com and sign in. Tap your profile at the top right corner of your screen and tap Settings. Now tap Activity. Scroll all the way down and tap Close Account. But make sure that you withdraw all of your funds before closing your account, because you won't be able to retrieve the funds after your account has been deleted. Now enter your password and tap Close Account. You need to make sure all of your funds are withdrawn. Once the funds are withdrawn, it will be labeled as completed. Now tap Close My Account. And that's how you delete Coinbase account. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.